Disruption on the railway, which is a polite way of saying, your plans are about to wobble. So let me decode it fast, so you can decide what to do next. When you hear disruption, it means trains are delayed, cancelled, rerouted. The timetable just turned from promise into suggestion. Why it happens, in plain English: infrastructure failures, signals, tracks, points, and the rules say slow down or stop, not wing it. Weather: heavy rain floods lines and messes with electrics. Snow and ice freeze moving parts. Heat makes rails expand and buckle. The network takes weather very personally. Trespass and external incidents. People on the tracks, cars at level crossings, vandalism. One bad choice can delay thousands. Train faults, mechanical fault, electrical fault. Sometimes just a door that won't close. That's enough to stop everything. Staff shortages, no driver, no train. Tech isn't driving for us. Yet. Freight. Passenger and freight share track. Slower freight can ripple delays across a busy timetable. Overcrowding. Too many people. Not enough time to board. Every stop drifts longer. Planned engineering. Essential. Often announced. Still ruins a Saturday. But here's why it feels worse than it should. Not just the delay, but the confusion. Late or vague announcements. Platforms changing. No clear plan B. And you're still paying full price. So what actually helps? Better information. I check a live app, like National Rail Inquiries or my local operator, and I refresh often. If the info's specific, cause, affected lines, duration, you can trust it more. Contingency. Look for backup trains, early rail replacement buses, diversion routes. If the notice says significant disruption, assume the original plan is gone. On-platform support. Find a human in a vest and ask for step-by-step. How do I get to X right now? Compensation. Delay repay exists. Set a reminder and claim. Don't leave money behind. And long-term? Investment. Modern signals. Drainage. Preventative maintenance. That's the boring stuff that actually keeps trains moving. Quick cheat sheet. If it's signals or points, expect slow running across a wide area. If it's weather, watch for line closures and speed restrictions. If it's trespass or a crossing incident, total stop until cleared. If it's a train fault, wait for a replacement unit or a new crew. If it's engineering, ignore the timetable, follow the diversion map. Here's the reality. Disruption isn't rare, it's built into the system. What people can't stand is the same problem every day, wrapped in a new excuse. So I do two things. Plan A with live updates, and Plan B I can switch to in one tap. Because the fastest way through railway chaos is knowing what it actually means.